Mneneri wa chipani cha MCP mnyumba ya Malamulo olemekezeka a Erson Mkaka anayambisa mpungwepungwe mnyumba ya Malamulo pamene iwo adayamba kugunda nkhani zosiyana-siyana. Nkhani imene inapereka chidwi kwambiri ndiyonena kuti iwo akuti chipani cha MCP chili ndi masupporters okwana 10 million kungoti pa 16 September baja zidangochitika kuti sadatuluke kukavota, ndipo akuona kuchedwa anthu amene wapanopa akupanga regret kuti anayika DPP pa mpando sadakavote, ndipo akuona kuchedwa kuti 2030 ifike akavote. Iwowa akufuna kuti chose DPP, ndipo anthu anayamba kuzuma ndi kuseka kwambiri mnyumba imene ya Malamulo.
MCP will rule this country from 2030.
Nkhani ina imene anagundako kwambiri imene inayambisa phokoso kwambiri ndiyo khuzana ndi misonkho imene yayika boma la chipani cha DPP pa anthu ogwira ntchito, komanso kuyika malamulo ena ndi ena amene akunena kuti akuphinja kwambiri mzika za dziko lino. Akunena kuti pali zimene zikusonyeza kuti pali magawo ena amene akusonyeza kuti anthu amene akumaliza sukulu sazilembedwa ntchito, komanso misonkho izidulidwa kwambiri makamaka pa masalari za anthu. Zimenezi zinayambisa mpungwepungwe, ndipo anthu a chipani cha DPP amene ali kumbali ya boma anadzuka nkuyamba kuayimba Mkaka cholinga choti akhale pansi, ndipo kumbali inayi nawonso amayimba nyimbo kunena kuti Mkaka wabaya. Nde munali mpungwepungwe mmenemo. Tikulandireni kulikonse kumene muli pa
Malawi Today.
Ndionere mwachidwi zonse zimene zidachitika mnyumba imene.
Let me assure the DPP government that losing election does not mean that the MCP has no supporters and members. No. MCP has got over 10 million Malawian supporters in the country. It is just unfortunate that for one reason or the other, they decided not to come out and vote. The good news is that most of them are already regretting that they did not come out to vote for their beloved MCP. But they do see, Mr. Speaker, sir, they do see 2030 as if it's tomorrow for them to vote back MCP into power. And make no mistake, Mr. Speaker, sir, MCP will rule this country from 2030. Mr. Speaker, sir,
you have a minute to go.
What does the budget statement presented here mean to different categories of Malawians? As I conclude, Mr. Speaker, sir, one,
Order. Honorable spokesperson, consider winding up.
I am winding up, and I beg your protection. Let me be heard in silence.
Honorable members, let's have order. Order.
Mr. Speaker, sir, what does the budget statement presented here mean to different categories of Malawians? One, for the civil servants, it simply means that your take-home pay has been reduced because it will now be heavily taxed. Two, for the general public, it means you have been robbed the buying power for the goods and services since the value of your money has been devalued silently. Three, for the parents who send children to school and colleges, it means your sons and daughters will not be employed despite graduating from universities and various colleges.
Order.
Servants, it means you will not get promoted despite working hard to improve service delivery. Four,
Order. Can I have order?
for motorists and the road users,
Honorable spokesperson, I've already
I am
given
concluding,
you
Mr.
4
Speaker. I am
minutes.
being disturbed.
Please consider winding up.
I'm winding up. For motorists and other road users, it simply means that fuel prices will be increased at the pump station because no one will be controlling it. Since this government has openly told Malawians that it is powerless at the hands of market forces
Honorable
and financial
spokesperson,
institutions
with
that have dictated fiscal management measures. Mr. Speaker, sir, do we have any hope for the future? Yes, Mr. Speaker, sir. We have got 1,750 days for Malawians to go to the polls, and that time is September 2030. Malawians will speak with one voice to send the DPP government on this side of the aisle.
Thank you.
The opposition
Thank you.
will be.
Spokesperson, I've actually given you extra 6 minutes.
And I appreciate, Mr. Speaker,
now,
sir.
please.
I appreciate, Mr. Speaker, sir. As the opposition, we would be happy to have a budget that focuses on production rather than consumption. We are therefore calling for the restraint and the responsibility. Together, we must all.
Please, I did give you 30 minutes, and if you check your time, I actually added for you 7 minutes. But I'm sure your response will be circulated, and they'll take note of it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for giving this opportunity to the people of Luchenza municipality to stand on a point of order. Mr. Speaker, sir, is it in order for the member who has just presented the statement here to display act of mental health problems? The member who actually presented the statement here is actually deluded. He believes the Malawi Congress Party will be back in government in 2030. That will never happen. That's a clinical sign of behavior disorder. Is it in order to display such behaviors in Parliament?
Thank you so much, Right Honorable Speaker, for giving people of Somba Malosa